So let's talk about measures of central tendencies. These are things that you can find given a set of data. The first one would be mean. I like to think that a mean teacher makes you find your own average. An average is when you add all the numbers, then divide by the number of numbers. So for instance, if you had 3 test scores of a 90, a 70, and 80, and you wanted to know your average, you would add them all up, and you would get 240. You would then divide by the number of numbers, 1, 2, 3, and your overall average would be 80. Next, we have median. Median is the middle number once they are in order. So if I have 4, 2, 5, 7, and 3, the first thing I'm going to do is put them in order. 2, 3, 4, 5, and 7. Always double check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Since there's an odd number of numbers, there will be just one in the middle. So in that case, the 4 is going to be your median. If I took that same set of numbers, but let's say this time I had 2 5s. So now I have 6 numbers. When there's an even number of numbers, you find the middle, and you take their average. So I would say 4 plus 5 is 9, divided by 2, and the average is 4.5. Next we have mode. Mode is the one most often occurring in the list. So in the list up above, this first one, when I had 4, 2, 5, 7, and 3, none of the numbers occurred most often. Once I added the other 5, now 5s would be my mode. When I didn't have the 5, you would say no mode. When I now have a number that shows up more than the others, that's your mode. You could also have more than one mode. If I had another 2, now my mode would be both 5 and 2. Next, we're going to talk about range. The range is simply subtract the smaller number from the bigger number. So in this case, my largest number is 7, my smallest number is 2, so my range is 5.